Today we're at the Cedar City Regional Airport, and they have actually had the runway completely rebuilt, and they're doing a grand opening this morning with ribbon cutting, and we can all ride our bikes up and down the runway, kind of a once-in-a-lifetime event. They've got some other things set up here, some airplanes and stuff from the aviation school, the firefighting equipment they use on the airport, and some posters and information about the rebuilding of the runway. So what we're going to do today. In a minute here, we'll check out the ceremonies and the ribbon cutting, and then we'll go ride on the runway. So come along. I mean, it's so level, it's a mirage out there, you know? I don't know, this is kind of an interesting thing. I was really surprised. They're like, yeah, just come out and play on the runway.
Yeah, Danny. You're right. I've never been able to do this. I'm on this runway all the time, but not like this.
I want to see down the whole thing.
Me too. I want the whole thing.
So we went over, rode on the runway. That was really cool. Had a good time, and that is smooth, man. That's nice. Found out some interesting things. The runway is 150 feet wide, and it's 8,650 feet long. So I think it's a little over 1.5 miles, maybe just under 1.5 miles. Anyway, it's pretty cool, and we were able to actually ride the whole thing. They had it blocked off part way, but at the end they opened it up, and a few of us were able to go the whole length of the runway, so that was cool. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us on this adventure today, and we hope you have great adventures wherever you're at.